What's the meaning of conceitedly? Conceitedly. Conceitedly.
Conceitedly. Conceitedly. Conceitedly is an adverb that means to behave in an arrogant or vain manner, with an excessive sense of one's own importance or abilities. When someone acts conceitedly, they tend to focus only on themselves, disregarding the thoughts and feelings of others. This can lead to a negative perception by those around them, as they are seen as self-absorbed and lacking empathy. In short, acting conceitedly can be detrimental to one's relationships, both personally and professionally, as it can create an environment of animosity and resentment.